How would you like to make a full-time income in just minutes per day? Stick with me. I'm going to show you how you can make big money from home, even while working a full-time job, with our simple autopilot system. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. And before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. I started making money from home over 30 years ago. I've been doing it full-time for more than 20 years now. Today, I'm using a simple autopilot system you can use to make money in your spare time. It's all online, it's all automated. All you have to do is take about 30 minutes to set up the autopilot system that you get for free and then let it do its thing. It's easy to do. A short video walks you through everything. No special skills are required. I was blown away when I saw the results others were getting. Everyday people all over the world are having massive success with it. And again, once it's set up, you only spend a few minutes a day, whenever it's convenient for you. Thanks to the automation, you can even do this around a full-time job. This is perfect for busy people. What we're doing works. You can make an insane amount of money. Many people start making money within hours. And we get paid recurring income too. You know, money that keeps coming in month after month. You can literally still be getting paid months from now for what you do today. And as for what I do each day, well, once your automated system is set up, all you need to do is get people to look at it using the simple strategies we teach you. I try to take just a few minutes and do one activity each day to accomplish that. Maybe it's to send an email or text, maybe it's a short post on Facebook, or my favorite strategy is to make a quick YouTube video like this. All of these strategies take only minutes, all can get terrific results, all can be done completely free. The automated system does the rest. This is by far the easiest and fastest way yet that I have found to make money from home. And get this, you do not need to be home to do it. I even do it while I'm riding my bike or out on our sailboat in the summertime or while I'm up skiing in the winter. Again, the automated system does all the work. I don't explain anything. I don't talk to anyone. I just go about my day. Now, you're probably wondering about costs. Well, don't worry. You do not need to spend a lot of money here. And it's not one of those MLM things you've seen where you need to buy products every month either. In fact, this is the most affordable home business I know of. Excellent training and support are provided too, and I will be your personal mentor and coach. Nothing will be left to chance. To learn more and see how you can start making money today, go to my website at easymoneypath.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.